and watch as we just gently press it in place. So there we go. We have our SD card installed, and then we can easily remove it as well. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Kingston Mobile Lite SD card reader. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description. You can see the retail packaging right here. The key for this USB SD card reader is this supports USB 3.2 UHS 2 speeds, and that's really important for the SD cards that we're using to get better file transfer speeds. So now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. It shouldn't come as a surprise to you that the only thing we get is the USB SD card reader with the Kingston logo and branding front and center. You can see it from this side with our SD card slot and how we're going to install our cards. So they have a nice installation icon for you to make sure you put the card in the right way. Definitely don't force it if you're having issues for any reason. You can see the back side of it right here. Very small and compact. There's the USB dongle. Now let's go ahead, let's take an SD card. I'll show you guys how to install it. So just follow that icon again. Line it up just like you see here where our angle is. And watch as we just gently press it in place. So there we go. We have our SD card installed. And then we can easily remove it as well. Very nice, plenty of room to grip it, to pull out, or to push in. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So we have the reader plugged into our Windows 10 PC, and I want to point out it's also compatible with Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux systems. We're also using the Lexar Professional 2000X SDXC. This is a UHS 2 SD card for this test. And you can see the results we got right here with Crystal Discmark. So our read is 287, our write is 222. Hypothetically, in the best scenario possible with the SD card that we're using, we can get speeds up to 300 megabytes per second. That's for our read, and write speeds up to 260 megabytes per second. And I would say this is very accurate, and the SD card reader is performing great, as you could expect in this real world test, not done in some laboratory with perfect conditions. I also want to point out with UHS 2 for this card reader, the max you could ever get, I believe, is 312 megabytes per second. So keep that in mind. We're right within the ballpark range that we should be. So overall, only got good things to say about this USD card reader. It gets the job done. It's very simple and straightforward, but we have the faster speed supports with USB 3.2 Gen 1 speeds and the UHS 2 class support. So really happy with this adapter overall. It's simple, straightforward, and it works as advertised. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.